Welcome home, Tommy. We got you this house. Beautiful. Well, that's it's quite the odor. Let's crack that window open, get a little cross breeze going.
Obviously, the bulk of the budget needs to happen in this room. This is the kitchen. You know, that's why we bought this house. It doesn't look like it now, but we're gonna have an exit price of $250,000. The current layout of the house is pretty outdated. You know, we got potential living room there. We also have the living room in the den or whatever that is. I don't think people are interested in two rooms anymore. What I'd like to see happen is if we could cut this wall out, cut that wall out, do a gigantic, you know, breakfast bar there.
So depending on what's in the wall, we're gonna put like a post somewhere, and we'll configure the cabinets are on the post. Have this all open. Maybe have like a little formal sitting area, a little TV room, hardwood floors all throughout.
This wall's totally gone. That wall's totally gone.
Correct.
Totally opened up to that.
Correct.
So, you know, we have some big, huge island or something like this. You know, you're cooking dinner, you're preparing it. You can see the kids in there playing.
Some bar stools.
Maybe watching some TV. Some bar stools on the other side. So kind of like a breakfast bar. They could be in the living room eating. That's very, very cool.
The door for the garage is gonna go here.
Okay, we're shifting that over.
And then you come in like a hallway, you have your toilet, your laundry, your lockers, and then you can either like enter this way because that's
okay.
probably a post under there.
And then this room, what are your thoughts on this room? We got a pretty serious, whatever this is.
You're gonna level the floor out, tear down the chimney. Obviously we're keeping this bed. So one of a kind.
John, how tall are you, 6'2"?
Yes.
John's only about 6'2", and his head is literally 6 inches from being attacked by that fan. You're gonna get rid of that low popcorn ceiling that almost decapitated you, and you're just gonna have the whole interior be on the same angle as this exterior roof line?
Yeah, well right now the ceiling's like right here.
Okay.
So the roof rafters are obviously at the bottom of this, so you can lose a lot of that space.
So what you're telling me is this isn't going to be like one of those flips they do on HGTV where everything gets done in a half hour, you slap some paint in some
45
style,
minutes. Probably 45 minutes.
take care of it, and then we make 80 grand. That's not how this is going to work?
Nope.
Alright, we are in the master bedroom. I personally seen a lot of potential in this master bedroom when I saw this house. Obviously it doesn't look great right now, but I think the room is pretty spacious. You have an ensuite bathroom at top of the market, top of the line, you know, luxury master suite, master closet. How are we gonna achieve that?
Well, I mean, there's a couple options.
Okay.
Since we're probably gonna add AC, we can just replace the boiler with a furnace, put it in the attic and duct everything down. And then we can get a high efficiency hot water tank, and we can lose this chimney, put a gigantic closet out this way, and make that all the master bath.
Ooh. So, we're at a crossroads. Do we think we can offer, where are we going to get more value? Offering them one of a kind, you know, master suite deck, or a gigantic closet?
Gigantic closet and bathroom.
So you're really proposing just eliminating the whole thing, huh?
Yeah, you can frame up, it's already set up for a floor. I don't know, we have to see why, I'm assuming there's like sleepers here, which is why it's built up. So you just stud a wall in, right here. And you stud a wall in over there, and you just tack onto this roof and carry it out. Frame this in, your master suite becomes, you know, what is this, probably 10 by freaking 15.
Personally, I think the porch would be cooler, but I understand why he wants to do a master closet. I want to know what you guys want to do. Do we go upstairs porch or do we go master closet? I think that I've never seen anything like this upstairs porch, so I think it'd be very unique. But I want to hear from you. I need you guys to vote in the comments below. Do you want to see a master closet or do you want to see this porch? Current layout is a pretty, you understand the way we're talking.
Nobody wants to see your face anyways, bro. A big island or some
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't work with this guy, Tommy! I can't work with this guy!
You got some room in your van, we could load this up for you.
Are we gonna be replacing these garage doors?
That's a tough choice. The other kind. Yeah, we'll spend the money on a new garage door.
This is probably a no-go. I don't know how the house has been around this long without a railing. I've never seen anything like this upstairs. board, so I think it'd be very unique. Tommy, where you at? Tommy, you can take photos of the walls later. The guy's talking, you need to follow them. I'm gonna beat both your asses. You two are up my movie. Both of you. Now I gotta think of where I was. Kurt Cox. This is the most disgusting sink I ever got away. Holy. What the happened?